Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Charles Schwab app for brokerage access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Go to your device's App Store. If you use an iPhone, open the App Store. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Charles Schwab. Look for the official Charles Schwab app in the search results. Make sure the app is developed by Schwab. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Check the app rating and read some user reviews if desired. If you're ready to proceed, tap the Install button. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once the app is installed, locate it on your device's home screen. Tap on the Charles Schwab app icon to open it. You will be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Charles Schwab, select the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to fill in your personal information. This may include your name, email, and social security number. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Once your account is set up, proceed to log in with your credentials. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its functionality. You can view your portfolio, track investments, and make trades. Make sure to enable notifications for account updates and news. For any technical issues during installation, refer to the support page on Schwab's website. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Charles Schwab app for brokerage access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.